Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. First, I want to apologize. I did not realize that I was not getting notifications of all the comments. And what was misleading was I was getting notification of a few comments, but not all. And the reason or the way I found out this was happening was I was on YouTube and I was looking at my stats and everything, and then I saw one stat you could look at was comments. And I thought that was just a count. Well, that was the actual comments. And I've been getting hundreds of comments that I've been missing. And I apologize. I normally like to respond immediately to a comment. And normally I get a notification on my cell phone, for instance, and about a comment, and I read the comment and I reply or mark it that I like it. Well, when I looked at that list of comments that I missed, there were hundreds of comments that I've missed in the past year. Hundreds. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry. So from now on, I will not depend on notifications. I will just periodically, matter of fact, every day, when I do a new video, I will go to that section of YouTube and look at comments. Sorry. Oh, I love comments. And there were a bunch of questions in there that I didn't answer. So people were like, oh, this guy's an idiot. He doesn't even respond to comments. I'm sorry. Okay, moving on. Another thing I've been doing recently is I've been doing very, very quick videos and not studying and testing radios properly. And the reason being, and I explained this a couple of shows ago, reason being is these things are on sale right now, and I want you to be able to get it at the sale price. This is an example. This one I've had for a week, and I just now getting, because I've been behind on my reviews, I'm just now getting to this. This is only on sale on Amazon. I just checked for 7 more hours. So I got to get this video out. So excuse me if this is kind of brief and I skip over some things. So it's AM, FM, Bluetooth player. MP3 player does not have Bluetooth. Does it have Bluetooth? No, it doesn't have Bluetooth. Let me look. I'm such a rush. Stand by. I'm sorry. I'm so frustrated. I'm pretty sure it does not have Bluetooth. No, it doesn't have Bluetooth. Get your act together, Tom. Gee whiz. So frustrated. Can't even get the manual opened up. There we go. Okay. It's in Spanish. No wonder I can't read it. In Spanish, German, Greek. I guess, no, it doesn't have Bluetooth. It has an MP3 player, which is what you were listening to. You were listening to some free music from the YouTube library. Okay, here it is up close. The buttons here, which are not marked very well, this is play, pause, forward, track, back track. Here are the controls for the bands and to select MP3 player. This is to turn a flashlight on. It's got a little flashlight. Check that out. So in my world, that makes it an emergency radio. Carrying strap. Over here we have on-off volume and tuning, which is on this tuning dial, they got a white marker, so it's easy to read. Isn't that nice? There's where the TF card goes. There's a telescopic antenna, very short. There's a charging port, and there's the headphone jack. Again, and it has a belt clip. Built-in rechargeable battery, not removable. So once the old battery doesn't recharge anymore, you have to take it apart or throw it away. Okay. Whew. I'm trying to hurry. I apologize. I'm trying to hurry. Let's just go to AM, and we'll turn it back up on.
Thank you.
There you
Heads
go.
Will Roll. I was introduced to that song by the Yeah Yeah Yeahs.
The allegations. The
Oh.
most significant
Tune
criminal charge
button.
against him is that the martial law in Minneapolis, as protests
Doing
continue.
pretty good on AM.
There were a couple of protesters standing in front of the main gate to this federal
I love the
property,
tuning
and then there was a skirmish by the
button,
federal agents that started walking
indicator.
slowly, and then kind of at the
And refinancing activity have John.
Okay, I'm kind of in a hurry, so I want to get this posted. So let's go to FM real quick. We'll extend the antenna, which is about 12 inches. And we'll go to FM. We'll go through it real quick, just in case it's music. Turn the volume up. Yep, music. Music. Okay, let's go to 97.9. 89.7. Yeah, that's not it. Get 89.7. That's my test station. There it is.
Its 80th
There it is.
anniversary this weekend with
I have to go back. Right there, I can't quite catch it.
Undamaged by the Blitz, the Nazi bombing of London. Time, the King of England
There we go.
said no more important meeting had ever taken place in the British capital. 80 years later.
That's my station I use as a test station. That's in Tampa. Lower power than most stations. If I can get that on the radio is doing a good job. So I'm going to wrap this up and try to get this posted. Like I say, there's only now 6 hours left to get it at the sale price of $6.99 on Amazon. It's sold. It doesn't have a model number, but it's sold by GOODES, GOODES. And I think it's a good bargain, so I'll put it in my Amazon store. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.